join me on another episode of Off Axis Builds with this Monday virtual car shows. We got some cool Patina cars in there. I think we got some bugs, a few buses, a few notchbacks. Got some cool Patina looking cars. Check it out, guys. Got about 20 in there, so a lot of cool cars. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications, guys. Alright, see you in the next one, guys. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It's a lot of fun, got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.